Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your phone uses an AMOLED panel and that the OS supports Always On Display. This matters because OLED pixels turn fully off to save power. Next, make sure battery is above 20% and battery saver is disabled because those modes often block AOD. Then open Settings right arrow display right arrow Always On Display and toggle it on. Once done, grant lock screen permissions so notifications can show. These steps get the feature active. Now we customize what appears and when. Now customize the AOD so it balances usefulness with power savings. Choose a minimal monochrome clock and reduce active pixels. Monochrome uses far less energy than full color. Next, pick a schedule, always night only, or a custom window like 9:00 to 7:00 to avoid needless runtime. Make sure to lower AOD brightness, enable tap to show if available, and reduce motion sensitivity so the display only wakes for deliberate gestures. These choices extend battery life while keep finish by testing. Lock the phone, place it face down and in your pocket to confirm it stays dark, then tap or pick it up to verify it wakes correctly. If Always On Display doesn't show, reboot the device, check for battery optimization or lock screen apps that may interfere, and reset AOD settings. Make sure third-party lock screen or theme apps are disabled because they commonly override AOD. If problems persist, revert to defaults and reapply your minimal settings. That usually clears conflicts and restores normal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.